There we go, there's our invisible edge. Looks good from the visible side. It's a bit rough. A bit rough of a join, but I'm no joiner. I'm an artist. And it ain't square, that's for sure. The boat ain't square either. And I should square it just a smidge. I swear it, I'll just be giving it more slop. I could square it and then wedge it. You'll notice I don't actually use a square to square it. That would be the best way to do it, but I'm an eyeball squarer. There we go, looks square. It's got a bit more slop, but it ain't no bad thing. Room for expansion, it won't just swell up and then crack along there. And it's going to be glued as well. Glued, and fixings are going to be used.